Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we disable vibrate on silent mode setting in our oppo phone device. Friends, you want to disable your vibrate on silent mode setting, so how can you disable it in your device? Today I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting we will search here this sound, and once you can see sound and vibration guys, tap on this setting. Once you can see your phone sound and vibration, this vibrate setting, vibrate on silent mode setting guys, you can see in your device. So once you want to disable guys, you can see right side this icon. So guys, you will have to click on this icon, then guys this setting will disable. Once your vibrate on silent mode setting will not work in your phone. So like that guys, we can disable guys vibrate on silent mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you've understood how to disable vibrate on silent mode setting in our oppo phone. So bye guys.